Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you will be fine and okay. So class 5th social study. Today in this video we are going to discuss chapter 7 democracy and us. Okay, so keep these picture also in your mind before starting this video. So this is the picture of Parliament, Supreme Court of India. So you can also find question related to this picture in your exam. India has a democratic form of government, we already know. So here is the meaning of democratic. Democratic form of government, a system of government in which power is vested means fully in people, in hand of people who elected the representative to form the government. Clear? If you feel this is a little bit difficult, you can learn this quotation also. Democracy is defined as the government of the people, by the people, for the people. Okay, so you can also write from your side. Democracy means power is in the hand of people. People can elect their leader, a representative. In place of representative, they can write leaders. Okay, so representative in the parliament are elected by the people of India. The government of India makes law and ensure that the people follow those laws. So which people will elect that form of government? So government make a law for the full country. So the responsibility of a governance in the India is divided under the three heads. So these are the three head. Keep these three head in your mind. Question definitely frame from these three head. Legislature means make the law. Legislature means makes the law. Executive means execute the law. Means implement that law. Okay. Judiciary means resolve dispute in accordance with the law. Clear? So next part is there. Uh, Federal structure. What is federal structure? So student always remain confused here. The word federal means a system of government in which the power of the state of a country and the central or the union government are divided. Clear? In simple word you can say in federal structure power is divided between state and central government. Clear? Central government or union government, these are same. Clear? To keep this thing in your mind, because India is a vast country, big country. Due to that, it is very difficult to run a full country. Okay, state government cannot run a full country. Okay, so that's why power is divided. The central or union government is the government of the whole country. It look after the needs, welfare and safety of the people of the country. It has its offices in New Delhi, capital of India. For the three list of subject on which the law are be made. So union list, this list contain subject that are of national importance. All the subject came here which have national importance, such as a defense. If any another country attack on India, so central government is responsible for it. Foreign affairs, which type of relation is with another country, each and everything. And currency, so you know Modi change immediately currency, so it is hand of the union government. Union list. Okay, so union list means in the hand of power is in the hand of central government. Central government can make each and everything here. Okay, so here state list. This list contains subject like a law and order, trade, commerce and agriculture. Clear? Which are of importance to a state. A state government can make law on these subject which should be valid only in the respective state. So some rule and regulation made by the state government that are coming in this subject list. Okay, so like a law and order, how they maintain law, peace in state. Okay, trade, commerce and agriculture are part of state list. Clear? So question can be framed. Three can take from this side, trade, commerce and agriculture. One from here, foreign affairs or defense. So this one odd one out because they are related to state list. These are related to union list. Clear? So next is there uh, concurrent list. So concurrent list, what is this? Now, both the center as well as the state government can make the law on these subject. Both this one and this one both together make law on the subject of this list. It includes subject like education and forest. Education and forest. So now legislature, the parliament or a Sansad is the legislature or the union government. Okay, parliament or Sansad is the legislature or union government. It has two house, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So Lok Sabha is also called the lower house of the people. Okay, so Lok Sabha is also called the lower house of the parliament or the house of people. Lower house of the parliament or the house of people. So Rajya Sabha is also called the upper house of the parliament or the council of state. Clear? Upper house of the parliament or council of state. The member of the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are known as the members of parliament. Members of parliament means MPs. Okay, so M means member, P means parliament. Okay, here each state in India has a legislative assembly or Vidhan Sabha, that is its legislature. So the member of Vidhan Sabha are elected members of the legislative assembly or MLAs. So member of Vidhan Sabha are elected member, they are known as MLAs. Okay, some state assembly has two houses. Only some states have two houses. A legislative assembly named Vidhan Sabha, legislative assembly we called Vidhan Sabha, and a legislative council name is Vidhan Parishad. Legislative assembly Vidhan Sabha, legislative council Vidhan Parishad. Clear? So the union territory are ruled directly by the union government. Clear? Union territory means are running by, like a union territory Jammu and Kashmir, newly made union territory is there. Okay, the president of India appoints an administrator of lieutenant governor. The president of India appoint one administrator or lieutenant governor of each union territory. Clear? The member of the Lok Sabha and the MLAs are elected by the people for a term of 5 years. Okay, for term of 5 years they elected. The member of the Rajya Sabha have a term of 6 years. Okay, so here Rajya Sabha 6 year and here upside Lok Sabha 5 year. The people for a term of 5 year. Okay, clear? It is one third of its member retire every 2 years. So function of legislature. So simple function is written there. So the legislature is responsible for making the law for the land. Okay, so legislature is responsible for making the law of the land. It control the finance, everything is controlled by this part. So it prepares the annual budget every year. Clear? The budget is passed by the legislature. It keep control over the functioning of the executive branch. So this branch is responsible for budget. Okay, and annual budget we can say, and it keep over control the functioning of executive branch also. Executive, so executive, the executive branch is responsible for executing the law passed by the legislature. So this branch is responsible for executing the law passed by the legislature. So means implement that law. In the union government, the executive branch consists of the president, the vice president, and the prime minister and her or his council of ministers. So here, who's coming in this list? So president, vice president, council of minister, prime minister, all these are part of this branch. The president is the head of the government through the real power rest in the council of minister and headed by the prime minister. So president is known as president to known as the head of the government, but through the real power was in the hand of council of minister and prime minister. Clear? So the president is elected to her or his post for a period of 5 years. The president's term period is 5 years. Prime minister is the real head of the government. Clear? But actual head is prime minister. He or she leads of the majority party, though those party who won the election, that is known as the majority party, selected the ministers. They select the ministers and serve as the head of the council of ministers. So they form up ministers. Okay, So similarly, same way, the governor is the head of the state. Here upside center, president is there. Here governor is there, state level. We are talking about state level. Here president is there, prime minister is there. After president, prime minister is there. Here after governor, chief minister is there. But the real power rests in the council of ministers headed by the chief minister. Clear? So little bit difference is there. Central uh, power was in the hand of president, okay, but real power was in the hand of here upside prime minister. So same way downside, governor is the head of state, but actual power was in the hand of chief minister, okay, council of minister headed by the chief minister. Clear? Judiciary. The main functions of the judiciary is to protect the rights of an individual. Clear? The main function judiciary to protect the rights of an individual. So it also resolves any dispute keeping the law in mind. It also solves any dispute keeping the law in mind. A fair and free judiciary is essential for the success of a democratic government. If you want successful democratic government, so your country's judiciary should be free and fair and free. Clear? The Supreme Court of India is the highest court in the country. Clear? Supreme Court of India is the highest court in the country. It is based in New Delhi. It is headed by the Chief Justice of India. Headed by Chief Justice of India. Clear? So H.J. Kanhaiya was the first Chief Justice of India. So this is the most important point. H.J. Kanhaiya was the first Chief Justice of India. Clear? Next part is there. The High Court is below the Supreme Court in the hierarchy of court in India. Hierarchy of court in India. It is headed by the Chief Justice. Okay, it is headed by the Chief Justice. Clear? So the state and the union territory that do not have high courts located within the area usually comes under the jurisdiction of high courts, okay, located in neighboring states. So where high court is not there, so there is which court will be there, which will be under the jurisdiction of high court. Clear? So each district of country has district court. Each district of country has district court. Clear? I hope you will understand each and everything. Thank you. Have a nice day.